Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to export images for social media use. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is on the top left corner of your screen, just go ahead and press File. Then you could do Shift Control E or just press Export As. And the key thing to do, I guess, before this is make sure that it's in the correct, how do I put it, aspect ratio or resolution. So you want to make sure that it's the size of the correct size for the social media platform that you're using. Once you do that, you can find a folder to put it in, and then just press export, and then it will be exported in as a PNG into that folder, and then you can go ahead and upload it to whatever social media program that you see fit. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and throw them down below. But other than that, though, have a wonderful day. Thank you.